Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix mouse or touchpad right click not working on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix mouse or touchpad right click not working on Windows 11 computer, first of all press Control Shift and Escape from your keyboard and Task Manager will be open. Then in search type Windows Explorer and then select Windows Explorer, and you will find a button on upper right corner, Restart Task. First select Windows Explorer and then click on Restart Task. Windows Explorer will be restarted and then close Task Manager. Hope your problem has been solved, but if you find still your mouse or touchpad right click not working, on your keyboard press Windows key plus X. Now select Device Manager and hit enter. Select mice and other pointing devices, expand it, and here you will find your mouse. Now hit enter, and then how do you want to search for drivers? Select search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. Now close and close Device Manager. Hope this fix will solve your issue. If mouse or touchpad right click not still working, from your keyboard press Windows key and R. In run type CMD and then hit enter. Command prompt will be opened. In command prompt type SFC space / scan now. Now hit enter. Scanning process is continuing. After completing this scan process, you need to close command prompt and then restart your computer. After restarting the computer, hope your mouse or touchpad right click will work properly. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.